What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. Today we want to take a look at this picture right here. Vanessa Hudgens posted it on her Instagram account. It's her in that sunflower field, and it's also, once again, kind of a film look. It's super flat, not a lot of contrast, and there's a lot of grain in it. We got some tints to the picture, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this look using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. As always, today I've also created a preset on exactly this look for you guys. Just to save you some time, feel free to download the preset. Link is under this video, and it's on my website in that all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you have it, you will get all the new presets that I'm doing on this channel as well. They're automatically updated to the pack, so it's a great deal. Buy it once and you'll get a growing presets pack. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything else you need from me, any feedback or questions in general or ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always excited to hear from you, and I'll try and reply as fast as I can. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the Lightroom app right here, and I found a picture of a girl in a sunflower field. Go to curve on top in the lights panel and recreate this curve as it is right here. Really take your time. Once you have this, we're done here, and then we just want to pull down the contrast to around -24, boost up the highlights to +23, boost up the shadows a little bit to around +3, whites up to +17, blacks down to -16 right there. Go over to the colors tab. What we do here is just pull down the temperature to -5, tint down to -19, vibrance up to +26 or 29, and the saturation up to +2. Then we're done. We go to mix on top. For the red tones, we want to pull down the saturation to -29. Orange tones, we want to boost up the saturation to +10 and pull down the luminance to -51 in this case. Yellow tones right here, we want to boost up the hue to +6, that green area, boost up the saturation as well to around 25, and we want to boost up the luminance to 16 right there. The green tones, we want to pull down the hue to -11. We want to pull down the saturation as well to -58 right here, and we want to boost up the luminance all the way to 68. Then we go over to the aqua tones here. We want to boost up the hue to around +40, boost up the saturation again to +66 right here, and then the luminance up all the way to +77 is perfect. Then the blue tones, we want to pull down the hue to -37. We want to boost up the saturation to +47, and we want to boost up the luminance again all the way to +51. Then we're done here. We go to grading on top, and for the shadows here, we want to pull a hue of 194 and boost up the saturation to around 24. Then the luminance up all the way to around 23. We go over to the midtones here, hue 180 and the saturation up to 17, and the luminance all the way up to 22. Highlights over here, hue 287, saturation up to 19, and leave the luminance. We're done here. We go over to the effects tab, and the last thing we do is pull down the clarity to -21, dehaze down a little bit to -8, and of course we want grain. So down here, the grain, we boost that up a little bit to around 32 in this case, and the size down to around 5 in this case would be perfect. And then we're done here. And this is it, guys. Once again, here's a before and after, and I think we came super close to this Vanessa Hudgens inspired picture in that sunflower field. I hope you're happy with this tutorial. I hope this was good content for you guys. Once again, I'll remind you, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you're having troubles following along to the tutorial, or you just want to save some time, feel free to download that preset. Link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets to easily upgrade every one of your pictures and make them look great. The cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you have it, you will be getting all the future presets that I'm doing on this channel, plus the 200 presets that are already in there, such as this one of Vanessa Hudgens today. So yeah, make sure to check that out. It's a cool deal. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you haven't already. And if there's anything you need from me, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle, and I'm really always open for conversation. I'm really inspired by your requests, so really feel free to do that. I'll try to reply as fast as I can. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I'll see one of your edits on Instagram. Of course, thank you for the love, the support, and I hope I'll see you in the next video as well. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.